I'm Janet, and I have a fun little bookmark that you can make with a decorative button. And you can see here it has the loop on the back, and then I have a coordinating paper clip. And what we're going to do is thread this paper clip through that opening. You see, like that. All right, and I'm just going to wind it all the way around to the top, and then I want to hold that paper clip in place like so, and then this can become a bookmark. But in order for that to stay in place, I'm going to have to use some adhesive to hold that in place. And so I'm going to bring in some, let's see, what do I have here? I have some Fabri-Tac. Let's see if this will work. I'm going to go all under where I want the paper clip to hold. So I'm going to bring in some super glue, and my lid seems to be glued in place, so I'm going to be really careful with this. And this is not a gummy or a gloopy super glue, so it's a very liquidy wet super glue. So I'm going to put it in place. You can't hardly even see it, right? And then I'm going to flip that over, and we are just going to let that dry in place. And once it's done, this will become our bookmark.